everybody, welcome back to the Penguin Outdoors YouTube channel. My name is Steve. Forgot where I was going with it. Sometimes when I'm talking to the camera, I feel like I'm having a stroke. My mind's just like, start over. Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of the Penguin Outdoors YouTube channel. My name is Steve, and today we're magnet fishing. So if you've watched my videos before, you'll recognize this pond. This is the family farm pond. We've got some fishing poles and stuff with us, but today we're going to do a different kind of fishing. We're definitely going to do some regular fishing too, because they are popping. But anyway, this is a 500-pound magnet. There's much stronger magnets out there. I've seen people magnet fish with like 2,000-pound magnets, so this isn't anything crazy. But I've never done it before, and I'm curious, and I want to try it out, so that's what we're going to do. So we don't know a lot about this pond, really. Our family's owned this property for, I think, like 4 or 5 years now, and all we've really ever done is fish out of it. Like, we know what kind of fish are in there for the most part, and we know it's good fishing, but we don't know really when it was built, how it was built, any structure that might have been put in there, anything that might have been thrown in there. Like, we really don't know a lot beyond how deep it is and what fish are in it. So also one of my plans this year is to try and dive in this thing and see what kind of visibility I get, or what I can look around and see. But first up, we're gonna see what the magnet can pull out of it, because I'm pretty curious. So let's get into it. I got a job for you. See the end of the rope there? Pick it up and hold right there. Yep, pick it up and hold it. Because I don't know how long this rope is, and I know I can't throw it. I don't think I can throw it too far, but you're gonna hold that. You're my magnet anchor. If it goes too far, you'll stop it. You ready? Yeah. Let's try it right out here. And all we do is pull it back to us slowly and see if it grabs anything. They say you can feel it if it grabs onto something. I can feel it grabbing onto weeds, that's for sure.
Yeah, we definitely.
I'm sure plenty of weeds will wrap around it. Oh yeah, we'll get some weeds out. Just like that.
Oh, that's a ton of weeds.
Nothing on the magnet though.
Whoa.
A lot of plants.
Oh. At least we're getting seaweed out.
Getting seaweed out of here is always a good thing. Right here. It's only a few feet deep there.
Maybe we should try over here.
We'll move all around. The one thing I expect to find more than anything of is fishing gear. But I wouldn't be surprised if I found nails or old pieces of farm equipment or random debris. I mean, who knows what's in here?
Well, I definitely know nails is magnets.
Yep, nails are magnetic.
I definitely know if we catch Christian's little fishing thing that he's going to be happy.
Yeah, we'll be happy to get any fishing stuff back.
Oh, that's a whole jug of it.
A jug?
So if you want to put that whole thing in a jug, that's what it'll be like, a whole jug of it. Or a gallon.
Oh, I'm tangled in it. That didn't take long.
The seeds are like, I love your shoes.
Oh, not as many weeds that time.
Oh. Maybe we can catch them all the way out there. A gallon of weeds. Maybe.
All right, so far we haven't got anything, but I moved us down here to this new spot because there's a T-post in there. I don't really know why, but I'm going to assume at some point in time there may have been some kind of a dock here. And while I don't see any debris or indication of anything literally other than that T-post, I'm just curious to see if there's anything there the magnet might grab. It's also possible the T-post is there just because they kept a boat tied up to it. I don't really know why it's there, but figure there might be some stuff around it, so let's find out. Yeah. There you go.
Very spicy with me.
All right, everybody, much to my surprise, we are not doing so great so far. We started out over here and kind of worked this shoreline down towards those trees there and have brought literally nothing up on the magnet, like not even an old fishing hook, just like nothing. So we're gonna move down here near where I typically fish, not right on top of where I typically fish, because I am gonna do some fishing with Christian, and I don't want to tear that spot up too bad, even though it probably wouldn't affect the fishing much. But I do want to come down to this side of the pond. So not knowing what's in the pond, I still expected it to be...
Hey, Cree.
Still expected it... Oh, there's Cree.
Hi, Cree.
I still expected it to be much more active with the magnet.
Oh.
But apparently, it's cleaner than I thought.
Mommy said she's not hot because she's used to this kind of weather because she lives in the desert. She's not used to it, so not either.
It's also entirely possible that I'm getting more on the magnet than I think I am, but that things are getting pulled off in the weeds closer to shore.
Little baby fishy.
Yep. It's a good sign. It's a sign of a healthy pond.
This is those.
We're gonna switch over to regular fishing soon.
This one just feels like.
All right, y'all, we switched over to regular fishing. We're not having any luck with the magnet. That is not the outcome that I expected to have. So I'm actually pretty shocked by that. I thought I'd at least get some old fishing hooks, some nails, some kind of farm debris. But I did probably 100 throws, if not more, and butt kiss. So we switched over to regular fishing. So real quick, I want to talk about my setup, and then
Well, we hoped you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more great videos from the Penguin Outdoors YouTube channel, don't forget to click subscribe. And while you're at it, hit that little bell so you get notified when new content is available. Please leave us a comment down below and let us know what you thought. And don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.